Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Today is gonna be a fun one. I've gotten a lot of requests on how to work with money crystals. If you are interested in the top 5 money crystals, I have that video already up. I probably will link it down below somewhere, but today we're going to be talking about how to charge up and program your money crystals. I'm going to show you guys 5 ways you can do it at home. It's so simple, it's so easy. By the way, there is a sale going on my Etsy shop right now, so if you want to get your hands on some really nice crystals, head over there. Now here I have my pyrite. Pyrite is probably one of the best stones that you could have when it comes to money. Crystals like pyrite, aventurine, and citrine are very, very powerful for attracting money and bringing money into your life. The way that I like to use crystals is I like to put my intention into them. And so every time I work with them, every time I walk by them, every time I look at them, I'm subconsciously planting that idea into my head of whatever my intention is. Now with these 3 crystals, they are signifying money and abundance, wealth, material gain. So every time I look at these, it's a positive connotation in my brain, and it's a positive imagery, positive energy that goes into my subconscious mind every time I look at these. And I don't even have to be conscious of it. All I have to do is just walk past it, and already my subconscious sees it and I don't see it. So you see how crystals can be very, very powerful tools if you can use them correctly. Remember, what you focus on grows, and crystals are natural vibrations, natural energies of the earth. So with that being said, let's talk about 5 ways you can program, awaken, and charge your crystals with money energy. The first way you can charge up your money crystals are by using cash or coins itself. So here I have a dollar bill, and what you want to do is keep your crystal on top of your cash or your coins so that it can absorb that energy, really soak it in, and just kind of understand what it needs to be bringing and attracting. So what I will do is just keep my money crystals on top of the cash either overnight or a few days, maybe an hour. And this is really good to do on the full moon, especially the new moon. So it's just swimming in that material abundance energy. Yeah. So that's the first way. Super easy, super simple. By the way, here I have an aventurine crystal, pyrite crystal, and a citrine crystal. The second way that you can charge and program your money crystals with abundance energy is by using incense. Now here I have Lakshmi incense. I love working with Lakshmi when it comes to prosperity, wealth, and abundance. Her energy is very, very beautiful when it comes to attracting that energy into your life. Okay, basically what I'll do is light my incense. Okay, so as the smoke rises from the incense, you want to take your crystals and you just want to coat it with the smoke, cleanse away any stagnant energy, any blocks, just cleanse away the obstacles when it comes to you and money. You want to say healthy and good affirmations when it comes to money. Just think good thoughts when it comes to money, that, you know, I am abundant and I am wealthy and I'm prosperous and I'm attracting abundance every single day, every single minute. And you want to take each one of your crystals and just kind of allow the smoke to cleanse it. And then you put your intention and your goals and your wishes into the crystal. Remember that our intention is above anything. It's above any crystal. It's above any incense. It's above anything and everything. So make sure that you are putting your intention in here, because that's an energy right there, and a very, very powerful one. So I'm going to go ahead and do my pyrite. Just holding a pyrite crystal in my hands makes me feel so rich. It's so shiny and it's so beautiful, and just, it's like a block of glitter. And then you can kind of just let this incense burn out on its own, and your crystals are ready. You can put them with your cash, your wallet, your money. You can put them on your altar. Yeah, I like to put them around my statues of Ganesh and Lakshmi. So just in case, if you guys are looking for an idea, I think that's actually very powerful. The third way that you can program and charge up your money crystals for money energy is by using herbs. So specifically herbs that associate with abundance energy, and fenugreek seeds are very, very good for that. You can also use basil, you can use cinnamon, and these herbs carry with it that energy of abundance and just gain and success and money and stuff. So here I have a bowl of fenugreek seeds. This is my go-to herb when I want to increase finances and money in my life. So what I'm gonna do is just put my crystals on there, and then leave that overnight, or leave it underneath the light of the full moon, or just maybe for a few hours, and I'll just, yeah, that's it. And what you could do is also hold the bowl in your hands and program that and speak your intention into it, or you can, have incense going right next to it. You can light a candle right next to it, but basically that's it. You just want it charging up with those herbs, and then afterwards make sure that your crystals are clean if you're going to do this, but afterwards you can actually use those herbs to cook with. They're charged with the energy of pyrite, citrine, and aventurine. So yeah, it's like you get 2 in 1. You get herbs that are charged, and you also get crystals that are charged. So that's number 3. You can also use the herbs when you're done to sprinkle in your wallet, in your front yard, in candles, to cook with. The fourth way that you can charge up your money crystals is by using a candle. This is so easy, but the only thing is when your candle is done burning, then you're just gonna have to take your crystal out and really clean the wax out of every little crack and corner. I wouldn't recommend putting a pyrite in there just because there's so many cracks and crevices, but if you have like a tumbled pyrite, or again, if you have anything like that, go ahead and throw that in your candle. Like, I love doing this. This is how I program and charge up a lot of my crystals. I have done it a lot with my carnelian crystal. I keep using that crystal over and over again in candles to invoke happiness in my home. So all I do is I will just drop the crystal in there and let the candle burn out as it will, just naturally. If you want to, you can actually put some money herbs in there. I have fenugreek seeds right here, and that's it. Just go ahead and light your candle. You can also write your intention for the crystal around the candle, or engrave it inside the candle. And that's another way that you can charge up and program your money crystals with money energy. Fifth way you can program your crystals for money is by keeping your crystal in your wallet. You may want to get a smaller crystal for this. I do have crystal chips that you can get on my Etsy shop, but they're very, very tiny chips, and you can keep them in your wallet, sprinkle them in front of your house. You can do so many things with chips, but you do want to get a smaller crystal for your wallet or your purse. And what this does is it kind of just engulfs your wallet and your purse with the energy of money. So you want to charge it up and then put it in there. And while it's in there, it's also being charged. So make sure that you always have cash or coins in your wallet, so that that energy, that vibration is touching your crystal. Another thing I do recommend, if you guys haven't seen my video already, is sage or cleanse your wallet and your cash and your coins as much as you can, because remember, other people are touching it, and remember, other people have different money mentality than we do. So we do want to cleanse our money, cleanse our cards, and charge up our crystal with our wallet or our purse. So those are 5 ways that you can program your money crystals with money energy. I hope that this video was helpful and useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.